here is the Sanyo Xacti DSCS4 overall conditions of the camera. And here is the battery compartment and the SD card compartment. Using 2 AA battery will do. You can either choose the rechargeable one or the replaceable one. Okay. Then here is the SD card. Sorry. Yep. Using this SD card, so I will provide the 1 GB one, and you just put at this compartment, and you can see here got the symbol lah. So you just match like according to the symbol, and you just put it inside. Push it in and push it. I lock it. Okay, click here to on it. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. Then here for the display, here will show how many shots you can took. And now is the video time lah. Sorry, this one is photo, video, and preview. And we click the menu. Here is the auto mode. You can like shooting the scene by yourself. This is the resolution. Higher, then you can take lesser pics. You see, now it's 367. Okay, then this is like autofocus timer. Then this one is single shot. Then this one is like continuous shooting. Then you just choose fine will do lah, quality. And okay, here is the white balance. About the white balance is to adjust like color tone or anything else lah. Okay, you can depends on like what kind of tone you like, then you just choose it. Click it, the OK to see whether which one is better or suitable. Okay, you can pick the tone by yourself. If you want to see the tone, you need to click the set first, then only you can know it. Okay, and the exposure, if you want like brighter, then you just go to like +1 or +2 like that. Then if you want darker outcome, then you just go to negative. Okay, then here's the option. Option is like the clock set, the monitor on off function, language, and the LCD brightness. And okay, if you want delete photo, go to the option here, the setting, and using format, because if you delete one by one a picture, it might harm the SD card lah. Okay, so it's better that you click the format, full format. Click. Okay. Wait for a while, wait until okay. Like that means it's okay. Click again. Back to the preview. And this one is the exposure lah, more quickly. Then the up here is the flash setting. Now it's force flash, off the flash, flash with the radar reduction, and this one is auto. And here's the shutter button, here's the zoom button. When every time you go to shoot, you just like half press it. Okay, like that means it's okay to shoot, and we just click it. Then if you want to see the preview, switch to here. Just now the pic that I took. Then switch back. Then you can continue shooting. Okay, like that means it's focused. Click it. Then if you want to see the preview, go back to the here, this symbol. Then only you can see the outcome. Okay. Next thing is to import to your phone. So I will provide you a card reader. Oops, sorry. So just like using this SD card, and here's the card reader. You just attach it according to same as well, the symbol. Then you just attach to your phone. You're using iPhone, so it might appear on the album side or the file side. You can click to the file there, then you will see an untitled file. Then you just click into it and import it. And if you after you import, plug it up. Don't like keep plugging because it might also burn the SD card or something. Yeah, so it's better that you import the photo quickly and plug it up. So here's the overall condition and the function about this camera, and hope you enjoy it.